Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to solve Instream-ads restricted monetization tools for partner policies issue. So if you encounter something like this notification, so first things first, you have to review Facebook monetization policies, like you have to understand violations. So go to monetization policies and then go to policy issues to see which specific policies your content or page may have violated. You can also know the community standards. You have to make sure that your content aligned with Facebook community standards, also with the content monetization policies. Here in the policy issues, you will also see ineligible content. So you have to avoid sharing content like clickbait, reused or low quality content, misinformation, or violent material. Okay, so you will see it here in the policy issues. Number two, you have to fix violations. So it's either you edit or remove problematic content. You have to identify and correct or remove any content flagged as violating Facebook policies. For example, this one. All you have to do is to tap the three dots and then delete this content or picture. You need to have a content cleanup. Review your past content and ensure that nothing conflicts with monetization policies, even an older post. Okay, so you have to delete this one if this one is the reason why you have violated community standards. And then next, if this one didn't work, then you can request review. Probably if you have violated here a community guideline, then you can simply go and tap this request review. You can submit for manual review. All you have to do is to be very clear and specific in your explanation, providing any necessary context for the content in question. Highlight how your content complies with Facebook's monetization rules. Well, these are just a few ways on how to resolve this. As a conclusion, resolving an in-stream ads restriction due to partner policies requires a combination of policy adherence, content review, and careful management of your page overall health. So once violations are corrected and your page aligns with Facebook standard, you can request a review to restore monetization capabilities. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.